Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is Happy Mail, and I received Happy Mail from Elisha. This was sent by Cathy Create for Elisha. So she did send me some Happy Mail. I did go ahead and open it, and thank you so much, Cathy, for forwarding this to me. So she sent me some stickers. These are gem stickers for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I appreciate this so much. Thank you so much for sending me, and I'm definitely going to do something with this. Maybe I'm not sure if this year or next year, but I'm gonna do something for my mom for that with that. And so then thank you so much, Elisha. I appreciate it. So the next Happy Mail is from, I also received mail from Cathy, and I can't wait to look inside and see what she made. But look at this envelope. This envelope is such a cute envelope. I love how she sends her Happy Mail. I have it turned over because of the address, but yeah, it's such a cute little envelope. I opened it and there's nothing else in there, so let's see what's in here. So we have a card, and I will read this off camera. Oh, you're welcome, Cathy. It was my pleasure to participate in your collaboration. I loved it so much. And let's see here what she sent. I appreciate you sending something, and look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this tassel. I love her beading here. Look at her beading work right here. Oh, I love these right here. What are these? What is that right there? It's like a cap. I love that. And look at this. I love the angel. Look at that. Oh, and the tree of life. I love it. And then a little heart with the crown. So pretty. I like how you put this trim from Hobby Lobby there. So pretty. So it seems to be like a bookmark, a shaker bookmark, and I love her stitching. She did an amazing job there. And the back is all pink. I love this, Cathy. It is so beautiful. Thank you so much. Look how pretty that is. Never thought of a bookmark to look like this, so elegant. I love it. Thank you so much, Cathy. I appreciate it. Next, I also got some Happy Mail from Maka's home. And so thank you so much. I think this is thank you mail. Oh, it's birthday. Celebrate. It's a shaker card. And there is her handle there. And it's blank. It says, hope lovely surprises are coming your way to make your birthday a beautiful day. Thank you so much for thinking of me on my birthday. And then she has a card right here, so I could reuse this. And let me read this off camera. Thank you so much, Maka. My birthday was amazing. I loved it. And thank you to those who wished me a happy birthday, and also my husband. My husband made it so special. Thank you so much for this card, Maka. I appreciate this so much. And this went to my P.O. box, so I didn't get it quick enough, but I don't know how long it's been there. But yeah, it was there probably around November 8th or 9th. So yeah, it took me a while to get to my post office, but thank you so much, girl. So the next Happy Mail is from Tree, who is Craft. I'm going to cover the address because I don't want that showing. So I did open it for the sake of the video. And so let's go ahead and see what she sent me. I'm so excited to open this. Thank you so much, Tree. I appreciate it. And let's see what it is. Oh my goodness, something just flipped. Okay, so here is the little dangle. It looks like a little tiny book, and look what she's done. Super cute. I'm trying to focus here. Focus. So that's right here. I love the pink. The pink is so cute. Little bow to close it. And ooh, she sent some goodies. Oh wow, what is this? Oh my goodness. Look at this, you guys. It's a braid. And it has a little bow with a little flower. Super adorable. Look at that, you guys. How cute is that? Oh God, that is so cute. I'm gonna put that right there. And then she sent some jimmies and a note. Let's see what the note says. How cute is that? Thank you so much, Tree, for this thank you mail. You did not have to do this, but she sent me some jimmies, which are pink. I love that they're breast cancer. Oh, look at this. This is so pretty. She sent a little, you know, this could be a pin. I'm going to put a pin on the back for my mom so she could wear it to her doctor appointments. And then this right here, this little embellishment with a little rabbit, which it could be used for Easter. Such a cute little project. And little pockets here, which hold everything. Oh, look at this dainty little flower. How cute is that? Oh, that is so cute. Thank you so much, Tree, for this. I love how she put this right here. She closed it up and there's a little book to house everything with some petals. Ladies, I appreciate you all. So that was Elisha, Cathy, Tree, and Maka. Thank you so much, ladies. I appreciate you guys, and everything that I received is very much appreciated and adored. And I hope you guys enjoyed that, you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.